have applied to 40 cybersecurity jobs, maybe more. Entry level, they said, right? Zero experience required, the post said. And you got nothing. No call back, no interview, just silence. So you did what everyone does. You added another certification, then another one. You told yourself, once I have enough certifications, they will finally say yes. They will not. Let me break that to you. Okay, they will not. My name is Yazid Shito. I'm a site reliability engineer at Microsoft with 18 years in tech and 14 in cybersecurity. I co-founded TotalThreat, a free community helping people turn cybersecurity knowledge into real job-ready skills. And we are currently offering one $7,000 scholarship for our upcoming cybersecurity bootcamp until September 15. So here is what nobody told you. Almost nobody's first job in tech is a cybersecurity job. Not mine, not my business partner even, not the people getting hired right now. Cybersecurity is the narrowest, most crowded door in the building, and you have been throwing your whole body against it. There is a wider door. It is right next to it. Most people walk straight past it because it does not say cybersecurity on it, but it is the fastest way in. And once you are inside, cybersecurity is one hallway away. Now, you have about 40 application, zero replies. Okay. Let me say the quiet part out loud. 40 applications, zero replies. That is not a bad luck. That is a pattern. And the pattern is not about you. It is about the door you pick. I have spent 18 years in tech and 14 in cybersecurity from federal agencies in the US to Microsoft as a site reliability engineer. I did not start in cybersecurity. I could not actually. And that turned out to be the best thing that ever happened to my career. So before you send one more application, before you buy one more course, understand this. You are not stuck because you are not good enough. You are stuck because you are standing at the wrong door. Let me show you the right one. First, let's name the trap because you are probably in it right now. You only apply to cybersecurity jobs, analyst, SOC, which is the team that watches for attack, security engineer, and nothing else. If the title does not say security, you skip it. So when nothing works, you buy one more certification. You tell yourself the next one is the one that finally unlocks the yes. It never is. It will never be. And you wait to feel ready for a degree, for experience, for some permission that never comes. Months go by, nothing moves. So here is the truth almost nobody will tell you. Look at Nobody starts in cybersecurity. Look at real people who actually got hired. Almost none of them walk straight into a security seat as their first job. They got into tech first through a normal, boring, unglamorous IT job. And from the inside, they moved over. Cybersecurity is not an entry point. It is a destination. You get there by getting in first. Okay. Why does the IT door work when the cyber door does not? Four reasons. More open roles. Companies hire far more IT support people than cyber analysts. More seats means more chances. Less competition. Nobody dream about help desk. So the line for that job is way shorter than the line for a cybersecurity job. They train you. Entry level IT expects to teach you on the job. Cybersecurity expects you to show up already ready, and it leads straight in. Once you are inside a company, cybersecurity is a transfer away, not a leap from the outside. So, what are these doors actually? Here are the five widest one in 2026. First, you have help desk or IT support. You fix people tech problems. It is the most common first job in all of tech. You have desktop support. You set up and repair the actual machines people work on. You have NOC technician. NOC means Network Operation Center. You watch the networks and the servers and you flag what breaks. You have a junior system administrator. You keep the systems and the user accounts running day by day, day to day, night by night. And you all also have the IAM analyst. IAM means identity and access management. That is what my business partner is doing right now. You control who can access what and why. That job is already half cybersecurity. Now, build the door needs proof. I'm not going to lie to you. Even the wider door has a lock on it. You still have to stand out because a lot of people apply to help desk too. So what makes them pick you? Not another certification, not a longer resume, proof. Something real that shows you can actually do the work. Let me show you exactly how to build up that proof and in what order. Here is the order that gets you hired. Follow it exactly. Okay? Exactly to the dot. Build proof first. One hands-on lab. A home lab is just a small setup, okay, on your own computer where you practice the real work, something you can show. Then add a Security Plus for context. CompTIA Security Plus is the baseline certification. It explains the work. It is not the work, it explains the work. It comes second, not first. Then get out the first job, an IT or adjacent role. No degree required to start. Then you specialize yourself. Then specialize inside. Once you are in, move toward IAM, move toward cloud maybe, move toward SOC. Okay? And the degree comes last, if at all, later, okay? Funded by your employer while you are already getting paid. So if you do one thing this week, do this. Build one home lab, not 10, one, done well, documented from start to finish. We can help you get that done in 7 days for free inside Total Threat Free. The link is in the description below. Then you turn it into proof, screenshots, notes. You put it on your GitHub. We show you how to do that. A short write-up a hiring manager can actually read. We will help you do that for free. We're not charging you for that. Okay? And understand why this beats a stack of certification. A certification says you pass a test, you pass an exam. A lab, a project says you can do the job. Guess which one a manager trusts? Let me make it let me make this real. I did not start in cybersecurity. I told you that, right? When I came into this country into US, I could not even take a cyber job. I did not have citizenship at that time. And most of those roles were close to me. So I got it through the army, okay, the US Army in logistics. Not glamorous, not security, but it was a door that was open for me to get into cybersecurity later. And I explained that in another video. And I used everything behind it, behind that door. My business partner, Evan, did not start in cybersecurity either. Evan came in through an IT and identity role. He built his proof and moved over. Two different people, same pattern. Get in first, specialize later. It works. It is not theory. We did it. So before you send out another one more application into the void, stop. Do not send the same resume to the same narrow list of cyber jobs again. That is the definition of stock. Change the door, change the proof, then you apply. Here is exactly what that looks like. Four move, starting today. Pick your door, choose one entry role from the list, and aim your whole search at it. Start the lab tonight. Open your laptop and build the first piece. Do not wait for the perfect moment. You can start that today, actually by joining Total Threat Free. Rewrite your resume around proof. Lead with what you built, what you touch, not with what you are missing, and apply wide. And use referral also. One warm introduction beats 50 code clicks every single time. So hear me, okay? You are not locked out. You never were. You have been standing in front of a narrow door, knocking harder and harder, while a wider door sat open a few feet away. That is the whole problem, and it is fixable this week. The market is not close to you. You just had the wrong map. Now you have the right one that I just gave you. And if you want the map and the tools in one place for free, come join us in Total Threat Free. Inside Total Threat Free, we build your first home lab together, step by step, with people doing it beside you, doing it right beside you. We are currently actually offering one 7,000 scholarship for our upcoming cybersecurity bootcamp until September 15. That will be a 12-week, okay, 12-week cybersecurity bootcamp. You learn Security Plus in contest in Total Threat Free. Our course ties the certification to the actual work, so it finally makes sense. And you take the 7-day challenge free. In 1 week, you work out with your first real piece of proof. It is totally free. The link is on the screen and also in the description below. So go join TotalThreat free and start building today. Peace out.